Hello and good morning my dear students, and welcome to the online classes of Winner Small Wonder Secondary School. This is Sanchita and I am going to take your English literature from now on. So far you have actually completed some of the topics of grammar, I guess, and English literature we are going to cover. So as you know that there is a revised syllabus by RDSC board this time. Your books is of NCERT 1. You have already the books. So in this video we are going to discuss that what is the deleted portion, that means what we do not have to cover in English literature, and which are the books and chapters which is going to be there in your syllabus. So class 8 revamp, and let's start the video. So the books of literature you have is actually two books. One is Honeydew and the other is It So Happened. That's a supplementary reader. Good news is that this time you have only one book, that is Honeydew. The other book, It So Happened, has been completely removed by the board. So we do not have to touch this particular book. We are only going to read and learn Honeydew. So that's a good news. Let's see what's there in Honeydew. So this is on the screen you can see that this particular syllabus has come from Udaipur, that is from the RDSC board. So your paper in theory paper is going to happen for 0.30 hours. Question paper is of 80 marks, sessional marks will be 20 and the total marks is 100. So 80 का आपका वहाँ पे पेपर होगा, 20 स्कूल से जाएगा, so total 100 का है. So इसमें परसेंटेज वाइज यहाँ पे बेसिस है. रिमेंबरिंग के 15%, अंडरस्टैंडिंग 48.75%, अप्लाइंग 11.25% एंड क्रिएटिंग 25%. So this is weightage which is based on the objective. You're remembering, understanding, applying the knowledge and creating the content. Weightage based on the content which we are going to read. Lexical items has got 11 marks. Structural items, when we create the structure, is of 14. Reading, comprehensive and textual questions is 35. Writing is 20. So that comprises of 80 marks. Let's now see in the book Honeydew which are the chapters which is there in your course now. So we are going to start with the chapter number 1, the best Christmas present in the world, and the poem The Ant and the Cricket. These two things are there in your syllabus. So please keep your sit with pencil and tick the things which I am going to dictate to you. So in the first chapter, both the best Christmas present in the world and the ant and the cricket, both is there in our course. And the first part has having 17 marks and the poem is having 2 marks. Next topic, tsunami as well as the poem, geographic lesson, both has been removed. That means we are not going to do this particular chapter. So please cut this chapter. Chapter number 3, glimpses of the past, and the poem Macavity the Mystery Cat is there both in the syllabus. It has having 13 part in the part 1 and 2 marks in the part 2. Then chapter number 4, Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory and the poem The Last Bargain, both is there in your course. Bipin Chaudhary's chapter has got 20 marks in it and the Last Bargain poem has got 2 marks. Then chapter number 5, The Summit Within with poem The Schoolboy, both is there in your course. Summit Within has got 12 marks and Schoolboy has got 2 marks. Then in the next part, chapter number 6, this is Jodie's Fawn. This is there in your course and it has got 8 marks. Next part, chapter number 7, visit to Cambridge has been removed. That means visit to Cambridge part we do not have to do, but we have to do the poem which is with this chapter, which is When I Set Out For. This poem we are going to do and this has got 2 marks within. So please make sure, please remember this thing, that chapter number 6 is full there, but chapter number 7 का part 1 जो है, A Visit to Cambridge आपके कोर्स में नहीं है, लेकिन जिसके साथ में पोएम है When I Set Out For आपके कोर्स में है. उसी के बाद में When I Set Out For Leonis is full poem. Chapter number 8, A Short Monsoon Diary and the poem on the grasshopper and cricket has been completely removed from the syllabus. and chapter number 9 and chapter number 10, that is the Great Stone Face 1 and the Great Stone Face 2nd, has been completely removed. So this is the syllabus, students. Please tick mark those things, and we are going to start the literature from my next video. If you get any issues, if you get any problems, any confusion, please feel free to call me anytime when I am there in the school. I am always there to solve your queries, and we will be learning a lot new things in our next series. So please stay tuned, please take care of yourself and your family, and please stay safe. So see you soon. Thank you.